Our journey takes us far from home. We travel to a star named Proxima Centauri. Around it orbits a planet, Prox Tauri b. One side of this planet always faces its sun, bathed in constant dim light. The other side faces away into endless night. In the zone between burning day and freezing night, life found a way. This is the cradle of the Daedalus. Imagine a sky painted in soft colours. Hues of deep red, gentle orange and soft purple stretch across the horizon. The light here is never bright, a constant, gentle glow. Plants on this world have adapted in remarkable ways. Many glow with their own light, creating shimmering forests of bioluminescence. This soft light illuminates the landscape, guiding the creatures that live here. The land itself tells an ancient story. Geological features are shaped slowly. There are no harsh winds here. The weather patterns are gentle, unlike Earth's dynamic systems. Strange, beautiful crystal formations grow from the ground. They catch the dim light, scattering it in faint rainbows. The sounds of this world are subtle. There are soft rustles and gentle chimes. It is a quiet world, inviting contemplation. Prox Tauri b was not always like this. It formed billions of years ago, slowly cooling from a molten sphere. Over vast stretches of time, conditions became right for life. Water may have flowed, the atmosphere stabilized. Then the first sparks of life emerged in this gentle twilight. This world holds a sense of immense time. It speaks of nature's incredible patience. It is a testament to life's tenacity. It finds a foothold even in the most alien of environments. Here, in this world of soft light, live the Daedalus. They are the native inhabitants of Prox Tauri b. They are tall and slender beings, graceful and elegant. Their skin is smooth and pale, subtly changing colour to reflect their inner emotions. Their eyes are large and dark, perfectly adapted to the dim light of their home. They see their world in ways we can only imagine. The Daedalus possess a truly unique biology. They are a single-sex species, a fundamental difference from many life forms on Earth. This singular nature has shaped their entire existence. It has influenced their society from its very beginning. It has guided their evolution down a different path. Their understanding of self and community is built on this foundation. It is a world without gender roles, without the divisions that can arise from them. How do the Daedalus reproduce? They do so through a natural process. It is a form of parthenogenesis, where an offspring develops from an unfertilized cell. This process might be triggered by environmental cues or communal rituals. The birth is a slow, gentle emergence. The entire community shares in raising the young, creating deep bonds between all members. Every child is a child of the collective. This unique biology has profound implications. There are no conflicts based on gender. Their concept of family is different, broader, more inclusive. Kinship is a web that connects everyone. Their journey is one of shared existence from birth to the stars. In their early days, the Daedalus communicated simply. Perhaps they used subtle pheromones or light patterns on their skin. These methods had their limits. As their minds grew, they needed more. They needed a way to share complex thoughts and express deeper feelings. Then came a remarkable evolutionary leap. The Daedalus developed vocal communication. Their voices emerged carrying new meaning. The structure of their language was unique, perhaps melodic like a song. It might have been tonal, with rising and falling pitches. This language reflected their world. It captured the nuances of the twilight zone. It spoke of glowing plants and quiet landscapes. Language changed everything for the Daedalus. It gave them the power to share complex ideas. They could now tell stories, record their history, and ponder abstract thoughts. The bonds between them grew stronger. This was the birth of their culture. It was the dawn of shared knowledge. Language unlocked their collective potential. Language shaped their society in profound ways. Individuals emerged who excelled in its use. There were teachers, storytellers, and thinkers. They made their first attempts to understand their place in the cosmos. Language was the foundation that would build their future advancements. As the Daedalus society grew more complex, so did their thoughts. They began to seek deeper meaning in their existence. Different interpretations of the cosmos arose. These were the early seeds of belief systems. Some Daedalus looked to the dim sun for answers. Others found meaning in the glowing flora or the silent ancient stones. This diversity of thought was natural. It was a sign of their growing intellect. These differing philosophies slowly solidified into distinct religions. Each had its own understanding of the universe. Each had its own deities or cosmic forces. For a time, this diversity was a source of richness. Tragically, this period of diverse thought took a dark turn. Disagreements between these religious groups grew. They escalated from philosophical debates into bitter conflict. The Daedalus, a species once defined by gentle community, experienced war. These were religious wars, fought with conviction and sorrow. The devastation caused by these wars was terrible. Many lives were lost and ancient knowledge was destroyed. Their society bore deep scars. But from this suffering came a profound lesson. They knew they could not continue on this path of self-destruction. The religious wars left the Daedalus weary. A collective exhaustion settled upon their society. From this despair, new voices emerged. Thinkers and philosophers began to speak of unity. They advocated for finding common ground. They reminded their people of their shared existence. They urged a return to the cooperative spirit that had once defined them. Slowly, a shift occurred in their spiritual understanding. The Daedalus began to move towards a more unified view. Perhaps they embraced a form of monotheism or a universalist philosophy. The focus turned to what united them, not what divided them. Compassion and understanding became guiding lights in their quest for peace. This spiritual evolution brought significant societal changes. The old religious factions gradually dissolved. New institutions were created, founded on principles of cooperation and shared purpose. Resources were pooled for the common good. Education focused on fostering empathy and critical thinking. The Daedalus became a stronger, more resilient civilization. They had faced their own darkness and chosen light. With peace firmly established, the Daedalus turned their keen minds outwards. A great curiosity about the universe blossomed. They began to study the world around them with new vigor. Science and technology flourished. They made early discoveries in physics and mathematics. They learned about the forces that shaped their planet. Their innate desire to understand drove them forward. During their explorations, they made a remarkable discovery. They encountered another intelligent species sharing their world. These were the Ikari, magnificent winged creatures. They lived in the upper atmosphere of Prox Tauri b. The Ikari possessed unique abilities. They could navigate with incredible precision. The Daedalus, wise from their past, approached the Ikari with respect. A remarkable alliance formed between these two different species. The Daedalus offered things the Ikari needed. In return, the Ikari shared their unique skills. It was a partnership based on mutual benefit. This alliance led to incredible technological advancements. The Daedalus, with Ikari assistance, created flying saucers. These were collaborative marvels of engineering and biology. Together, Daedalus and Ikari took their first tentative journeys into space. They soared beyond their twilight world. Their technological progress was astounding. The Daedalus explored their star system. They learned much about the universe, yet these advancements brought new challenges. They faced profound existential questions. The sheer vastness of space was overwhelming. They searched for a deeper meaning, a purpose beyond material progress and scientific discovery. A quiet disquiet began to settle in their advanced society. The Daedalus came to a crucial realization. Pure logic and technology, while powerful, were not enough. They could build magnificent starships. They could understand complex cosmic phenomena, but an inner emptiness remained for some. They understood that a purely rational existence had its limits. So the Daedalus turned their focus inwards. They began a new kind of exploration. This was an exploration of consciousness itself. They developed sophisticated systems for understanding their emotions. They cultivated practices like meditation and mindfulness. They sought a balance between their powerful intellects and their rich inner worlds. A profound sense of peace and purpose bloomed within their civilization. Today, the Daedalus stand as a testament to resilience. They are a civilization that has faced immense challenges. They have known division and war. They have confronted existential fears. Yet they have emerged wiser and stronger. Their society is one of profound harmony. They continue their exploration of the cosmos. But they do so with a quiet wisdom. Their journey is one of continuous learning and growth. They are beacons of peaceful advancement in their corner of the galaxy. What can we, humanity, learn from the Daedalus saga? Their story offers profound lessons. It highlights the importance of unity over division. It shows the incredible power of empathy and understanding. It reminds us of the need for balance, a balance between technological progress and inner spiritual growth. They teach us that true advancement involves the whole being. Mind, heart and spirit must develop together. The Daedalus approach existence with deep respect. They honor their planet, Prox Tauri B. Their legacy is one of peace,